In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a MAP sensor on a Jeep Patriot with a 2.4 liter. It is located in the intake manifold. So the MAP sensor is located right here on that intake, right where the slope of the intake goes down in front of the radiator. So you have the radiator hose, the upper radiator hose right here, and that's the connector we're looking for. So I'm going to take a long pair of needle nose, I'm going to pull up on that red lock tab, just pull it up, and then you can, maybe with the same pliers, grab that tab and squeeze it and pull. Let's see if I can get it. Here we go. Let's get that up and out of the way. Now there's the MAP sensor, and there's a one mounting bolt right here on the side. So there's the mounting screw, and it looks like it has a Torx bit head in the center or a hex. So with a 7mm socket, I'm going to break that free, hopefully. And there it is. So it is like a plastic screw type bolt. It's not threaded. It doesn't have a brass punch into the intake. It's typically a screw. So now we're going to take our new MAP sensor and bring it down. I put a little bit of oil on that O-ring just to give it a good little seal. Give it a push, wobble it back and forth. Line up that bolt hole. We'll take that mounting screw, bring it down. I'm going to try to start it by hand. Make sure it goes in straight. Grab my 7mm socket and ratchet wrench. Push and turn. There we go. There's no torque on this because it's plastic. Self-made threading. Bring it down, snug it. Now we can take our harness connector, bring that down until you hear it click, and take that red tab and push it down. Let me get my pliers, I'll do it one more push down on that. There you go, lock the tab on. You're all set. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.